Hi. Hey guys, it's Courtney Bree or Coco Bree, whichever you would like to call me, and welcome back to my channel. It came out kind of cute. Uh-oh, hair got stuck. This is my first time trying to do this. I think it came out pretty good for my first time. Before I get into how I got into this look, subscribe to this channel. Also follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I'm Coco Bree over there. I also have Coco Bree Cosplay on Instagram. I just got all the social media, so follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay, also I want to do a disclaimer. Somewhere in this footage I got lost. My camera died, so I didn't get a chance to show every single step that I did, but I'll talk about all of them. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
Alrighty, let's jump right in. So I'm using the Mehron Paradise body paints in white as my base. I really love these because they're water activated, which makes them super easy to remove. I have sensitive skin and I've never had any problems with these paints. I'm gonna go ahead and apply about 3 coats of this to my skin because, you know, melanin. Okay, so now I'm gonna take an angle brush and go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. And basically what I'm doing here is outlining my brows and just filling them in. Okay, moving on to the setting powder. I'm using e.l.f. translucent powder, but I honestly don't like it, you guys. It's a little bit too fine for me and doesn't really, I don't know, doesn't really set that well. And honestly, it could be user error because e.l.f. usually hits the mark, but I just needed a white setting powder because most of mine have a tint to them. Y'all, this is my favorite rainbow palette. It's the Be Perfect Cosmetics XL Pro palette. And I'm gonna use that shade Inspire to contour my face. Okay, next I'm gonna use the black Mehron body paint to draw the cracked lines all over my face.
Okay, so my camera died in the middle of that for some reason, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it do what it do. Basically just took my NYX Epic ink liner and drew scraggly lines all across my body. I'm using the Pat McGrath Eyedols eyeshadow in Enraptured. It's this gold, so pretty. I'm gonna do that and then get back to you guys. Okay, so I'm going back to the palette and grabbing that shade Lights Out and winging out my eye. And I'm also grabbing that same gold eyeshadow again and gonna put that right in the middle. Y'all, I'm finding that my fingers are the best tool, especially when I wanna get the maximum amount of pigment. Like, y'all, your fingers are your best friends. Next, I'm gonna use this tiny brush to put some of the gold on my bottom lash line, right in the middle. Next, I'm going to use this pointed eyeshadow brush to smoke out my bottom lash line with that same black shade. Finally, I'm going to use that same brush and go around and add shadows to some of the cracked lines. Hello. I didn't film me putting on the lashes. The lashes that I use will be linked down in the description. I'm not sure what they're called right now, but they're in the description box below. I see why people be wearing long nails because... The lipstick is also KVD Beauty in the shade Dagger. It's one of the liquid lipsticks. And I also will have the nails and crown linked in the description below. Anywho, thanks again so much for being here. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up so that I can be seen by other people. And yeah, follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know what to do. Okay, I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.